Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J. And today we are at Animal Kingdom. Let's go. Looks beautiful here, and it has a lot of shade, and also very cold today. I'm very liking it. Look how close I am to this freaking duck. Oh wow, that one went right through my head. Holy crap. Fish. Real fish?
Those are huge. Okay.
Oh my goodness, they are. Damn, those are big ass fish.
Oh, wait.
More? Oh, check out the map. That what you meant? Oh.
I didn't think anything this. You got like.
Oh, yeah.
I got fish.
Fish? Damn, those things are big. How beautiful that tree is, though. That's what I'm talking about.
My students, and for your helping. Thank you.
Hey, what are you guys trying to pull? You're messing up my act. Hold still. Back off.
Everything else.
That one? It's so cute though.
Allison!
Middle, it's just not covered. Watch your step friends, welcome aboard.
Where do you want to go on this side?
I go in the back. Stacy, stay bucking and warm.
But if you don't want your feet or socks to get wet, put them under.
I can barely reach. Alright, guys. Oh!
I don't trust it. I like that. What is behind us? Can you tell us what's behind us?
Nothing, we're going that way.
Yeah.
Oh, man. We're going backwards.
Oh, we're going backwards.
Oh, we're not going backwards anymore. Oh, the camera got completely wet. Oh!
sacrifice. I'm like, what has happened? Where did my friend go? I'm sorry. You were the one that didn't want to do it.
My iPhone got completely wet.
Guys, I like this one.
Look at our bag, Clayton.
Oh, our bag got completely wet.
So did I.
Watch out.
Oh. Oh crap, oh crap. Gotta go underneath. We went under that. Good thing I didn't get my camera out.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
If y'all need water whenever you let me know, actually make a laugh.
Hope so.
Remember the same reason we got little fin. I mean, their tail and that.
That is crazy big.
He's curling.
No
On the
way.
neck, climbing the neck.
Holy crap, that's big.
There you go, Dad.
Alright, that's our water buffalo.
Okay, let me see your picture.
That was a lot to get through. Alright, we got the wild animals here. Oh, that's so cute. They're so close. Oh, there's someone coming behind it. Aww. Hey, whatever you want to do.
Spraying the heck out of me, though.
Smile, smile. We're good. Alright, we're gonna go on that roller coaster now? Awesome. You taking it?
Oh, I just wanted to be annoying.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety.
There we are.
On behalf of Mickey and his pals, have an adventurous day.
Pluto!
Disney's Animal Kingdom.
I got him to look.
Motherfucker!
Just waiting.
Camera.
Now, just about anywhere on Earth, you come across a thin band of light-colored clay.
Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little ones.
Oleoramus.
Alright, Cassie's food. Katie's food. Oop. Allison's food, she's already digging in. And my food.
I think it is, of course. It's really
good food. We went back with American food again.
Okay. What time are we meeting up to leave?
Hello.
You come right in.
Ooh, this is gonna be. Oh, I'm gonna do this first.
Cannot go down the net. Up only. Up only.
Give it. There you go. When you get in trouble. I don't even think they know we're behind them. So they're not really excited.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
I can't.
Is this a real slide or what?
I'm literally crawling the whole way.
Sante's not awarded. And both the males and females have horns leaning back, helping them get through any thick and tangled underbrush. Real quick, also to our left, if you look at the top of the hill, there is a black rhinoceros.
Oh my goodness.
Jumbo black rhino. So the black rhino weighs about 3,000 pounds, making it actually one of the smallest of the rhino species. So there's also one single bird over here to our left. That is the saddle-billed stork. They do have a pretty large wingspan of about 9 feet and also made for life. There are two along the bottom of the river. So that one just came to say hi for a second. There's also a couple more. You can see the baby there on your left. It's about a 2-month-old hippo. It's a girl. Her name is Greta in this river. One Monday morning. All right, right in front of these hippos, there's also some pink-backed pelicans in the very middle. They are group nesters. As you can see, they're sharing a pretty large nest there. They've been working really hard on building it. And they're called the pink-backed pelican because during their mating season, their skin is going to turn a light pinkish color, almost like they're blushing. And then these are all black vultures. These birds are from Florida. So they are on vacation here in Africa. They like to protect the hippos. There's a couple more down there. That's called a flock of hippos right there. They're a group. And to communicate with each other, hippos make this noise. It's called a wee song. So it's very obvious when they're trying to talk to each other. That's good. Good news. Which is why this tree is also sometimes given the nickname the Tree of Life. Now we will be seeing more of these trees as we get further into the reserve today. Over these zebras here. Ooh, giraffes. I will talk more about the giraffes when we do get closer to them. Get to see the youngest of all the zebras here to our right. This is Dash. Dash was born in May. And then we also get to meet the baby giraffe over here, Humphrey. He was born in June. So lots of babies out here. Now this is called a tower of giraffes when they're in a group like this, and they are Maasai giraffes. So they're different from other types of giraffes in that they have the more jagged edges to their patterns. Now with giraffes, they love to eat. They can eat up to about 20 hours a day. Those bushes back there, those belong to the Ankole cattle. Those horns are in. So there's a honeycomb structure inside their horns that will allow blood to go through and help regulate their body temperature. People that domesticated them. Perfect way of demonstrating how elephants put on their sunscreen because they have extremely sensitive skin. So that dirt and sand is going to act as a natural sunblock for them. Very responsible elephant there. Gotta always wear your sunscreen, you guys. Flapping those ears, though, that helps lower that elephant's body temperature by about 15 degrees. And ourselves, well, they just flap their ears. Really does the trick. Or they go for a swim. The beta carotene that will turn those feathers pink. When a flamingo is first born, they have gray feathers. Those gray feathers will get lighter and lighter and then eventually turn pink. And that process takes about 1 to 2 years to complete. So rhinos, they unfortunately are also being poached. They're being poached for their horns. Some cultures believe there are medicinal properties in their horns. However, those horns, like I just said, are made of keratin. So there's really no special value to those horns whatsoever. Down in the shade, cheetahs within about 3 seconds can begin running up to about 60 miles per hour. And maintain that even though they are the largest birds in the world, they cannot fly, but they do use their wings to change directions when they run. And they can usually run up to about 40 miles per hour. Very, very fast birds. You can't outrun an ostrich. And then over to your right are ostrich eggs. Those are the largest eggs in the world. Those take about 40 days to hatch, and they're also really durable eggs too. A 200-pound person can stand on top of those eggs and they will not break. Okay, my friends, so you can easily get right here in Magadi Glen. So it's a little bit more convenient for them, and it's protecting a lot of other wildlife in that way. And it can really show that both humans and animals can live together peacefully in these kinds of areas and form some pretty good relationships with each other.